Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, March 29th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the dollar yen, I still think this is going to go up more. I still don't really think it is over. It looks like a five-wave trend, but I think we have a little bit more upside potential before we actually do make that bigger move to the downside. Taking it down to the weekly time frame, the important thing to see is that it is definitely continuing to make higher highs and higher lows, high highs, higher lows. We are at a fib level, so maybe a pullback is likely, but I think it will take out these highs, which is for me is telling me that it probably will go at least at 100% Fibonacci extension. I think it's more likely to end up looking something like that before it actually does go down, probably up to around the 155, 156 area. Going down to the daily, the yen has been very, very, very sideways this week, as you can see. Does kind of seem like it might be more likely will go down, take out that low before it actually does go up. But the trend is up, and I definitely think the bigger money is definitely going to be made waiting patiently for longs in an uptrend. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. I mean, this thing has been pretty much as sideways can be. So, I mean, I don't really think I would be trading it until we get some more volume. It does kind of seem to me more likely that it will go down to the 38%. It is a bank holiday for pretty much everybody in the world today, so I'm not really convinced it's going to do this today. But I think at some point it probably will go down, bounce off a fib level, and just keep on trending up. So, taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, I mean, it still looks to me like it needs to go down. I still think this is likely a trend. This is probably all part of a correction to that trend, which it may even go up and take out these highs before it actually does go down. Like I said, today is a bank holiday, and I wouldn't expect to see too much for big moves today. It's probably going to continue to be sideways, at least today and probably Monday because of the bank holidays. Eventually, I think it is going to push down, but we do have to remember the trend is up on the higher time frames. It doesn't really have to push down like this. It could literally just go down a little bit and just keep on trending up. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel linked in the card up here above, and don't forget to check out my new website linked down here below. As always, thank you and happy trading.